Good morning, class. Today, in continuation of the topic ions, I'm going to explain you types of ions. There are two types of ions, simple ions and compound ions. Now, what are simple ions? These ions which are formed from single atom are called simple ions. For example, sodium. Sodium Na plus. Na plus is a simple ion because it is made up, it is formed or made from a single sodium atom. Similarly, magnesium ion Mg2 plus, that is also formed from the single magnesium atom. In this way, other examples are also there, like aluminium Al3 plus, oxide ion O2 minus. These all are simple ions. Simple ions are also known as monoatomic ions. Now, compound ions. Those ions which are formed from groups of joint atoms are called compound ions, or it is also known as polyatomic ions. For example, ammonium. Ammonium NH4 plus is a compound ion which is made up of two types of atoms joined together. That is nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitrogen and hydrogen. Likewise, carbonate CO3 2 minus, carbonate ion. It is also formed or it is made up of two types of atoms, that is carbon and oxygen. In this way, sulfate ion is also there, nitrate ion, hydroxide are all compound ions, and compound ions are also known as polyatomic ions, that are polyatomic ions, right? Now, some of the common simple ions or compound ions or polyatomic ions and their symbols are given below, which are as like that. You have to learn and you have to remember, you have to write in your notebook. Sodium ion, symbol Na plus. Potassium ion K plus. Ammonium ion NH4 plus. Calcium ion Ca2 plus. Zinc ion Zn2 plus. Aluminium ion Al3 plus. Chloride ion Cl minus. Bromide Br minus. Hydroxide ion OH minus. Nitrate NO3 minus. Oxide ion O2 minus. Carbonate ion CO3 2 minus. In this way, sulfate ion is also there, phosphate ion and magnesium ion, zinc ion, sulfide ion. Magnesium ion Mg2 plus, zinc ion Zn2 plus, sulfide ion S2 minus. Now, we will study about the ionic compound. What are ionic compound? The compounds which are made up of ions are known as ionic compound. In an ionic compound, the positively charged ions, cations, and negatively charged ions, that is anions, are held together by a strong electrostatic forces of attraction. The forces which holds the ions together in an ionic compound are known as ionic bonds or electrovalent bonds. Since an ionic compound consists of an equal number of positive ions and negative ions, so the overall charge on ionic compound is zero. For example, like sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, that is NaCl, is an ionic compound which is made up of equal number of positively charged, that is positively charged sodium ion and negatively charged chloride ion, Cl minus. Some of the common ionic compounds, their formula and ion present in them are given below, which children you have to learn also. Sodium chloride, its formula is NaCl. Ions present are sodium and chlorine, Na plus and Cl minus. Potassium chloride, formula is KCl. Ions present are K plus and Cl minus. That is potassium and chlorine. Ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. That is the formula of ammonium chloride. The ions present NH4 plus and chlorine minus. That is ammonium and chlorine. Then calcium chloride, CaCl2. That is a formula for calcium chloride. Ca2 plus and Cl minus. Calcium and chlorine. Then sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Na plus and OH. Sodium and hydroxide. So children, please you have to learn ionic compound, their formulas and the ions present in that ionic compound. And for that you have to learn the symbols and formulas also. Now we will do some sample problems based on ionic compound. That is, write down the names of compound represented by the following formulas and show the ions present in them. First one is Al2SO4 whole thrice. That is aluminium sulfate. Right? Ions present are Al3 plus and SO4 2 minus. Second one is calcium chloride. CaCl2, that is calcium chloride, and the ions present are Ca2 plus and Cl minus, that is calcium and chlorine. Then K2SO4. K2SO4 is potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate, the ions present in that K plus and SO4 2 minus. Potassium and sulfate. Then KNO3, that is again potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate. Ions present is K plus and NO3 minus. Potassium and nitrate ions. Then calcium carbonate, CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate. CaCO3 is calcium carbonate. Ions present is Ca2 plus and CO3 2 minus. Calcium and carbonate. The ions present are calcium and carbonate. So children, please learn all these ionic compounds, for examples of ionic compounds, and please do this sample problems based on ionic compound in your chemistry register. Thank you.